crimes and murder are disgusting by switching stuff around. What is it now? I'm cooking this fish. What the fuck was it in the fish water? Start the fucking microwave again. Well, I poured it in my stuff all over my house. What did I do? I threw it here on the fucking thing. Why? Because I said there better not be any fucking animal, chicken, bird, egg, anything in any of my food at all. Period. Or you're dead.